and I have the tools somewhere around here. Oh, there we go. Fuel enrichment, I'll put that at 20. I don't want my neighbors calling the cops. What is up, you guys? So, this looks kind of crazy. I wonder what this could be for. These go together? Let's see. Oh, satisfying click too. Let's see. What is this? Press the button, LED light on. Oh, it's a push button switch. Push button start? No. I know what this is for. This is for launch control. We're gonna go ahead and install this. Let's try to find the best spot. I'm thinking maybe somewhere here, or maybe somewhere right here. I don't think the steering wheel will allow it. Nope. No spots on the steering wheel. That's okay though, because we can go somewhere right there. I think that might be a good spot. So we're gonna go ahead and run with it there. Luckily, this is an aftermarket one. It's not the OEM shifter bezel, whatever you want to call it. So I don't feel as bad. But I'll pop that out real quick. Kind of hard to see, but right back here, if I pull this back just a little bit, I got good old ECU. Kind of hard to see it, but we got aux cords that we can run from. Go ahead and pull that out. Boom. So that right there is a flying lead set from ECU Masters. So I'll go ahead and use a couple of those, which it'll probably be, let's see, we'll need 5 volt. We'll need a ground. So we'll go ahead and wire this in real quick, and like I said, it's gonna go right here. And I'm gonna make sure that I do this in the most professional way that I possibly can. So I got some Deutsch connectors, which I'll go ahead and take these, use these to create my, pretty much like a flying lead harness connector. We'll go ahead and hook that up. I got some closed pins, and I have the tools somewhere around here. Oh, there we go. Wire stripper, and then this is the crimper for closed and open pins. Close her down. But now that we got that situated, I'll go ahead. I'm not going to bore you guys with the rest of the details. I'll probably do some YouTube magic and a little snap of the fingers, and it'll all be done. We'll go ahead and give this a little there we go. Now we're about 95%. I didn't think about the way that the center console bolts in right here. so I'll have to trim around, so it's not completely locked into place right now. All right, it's a brand new day. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I was talking about. The aux is not the lead that I needed, it was the analog, and I'll show you right now. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna swap this one out for the analog N3, and we're gonna go ahead and set up the settings and get some two-step. All right, now we got some heat in the motor. I'm gonna go ahead, set up these launch control settings really quick, and then we'll try it out using the button. We'll see how it reacts. I'm gonna do it at a lower RPM just so I'm not over revving the motor, and then once we find out that the setup is good, I'll go ahead and up the ante a little bit, and we'll get this thing popping and banging. Maybe we'll get some fire out of it. Let's see. All right, so our activation input, I got that switched around. That's now on analog 3. I'll go ahead and drop this down. Let's go 2750 for activation, and then we'll do a cutoff at 3500. Fuel enrichment, I'll put that at 20. And then we'll keep the ignition retard and the ignition angle restore rate at the same. Spark cut percent, we'll leave it at 100. 80% for the activation, for minimum TPS activation, we'll go ahead and leave that at 80. All right, so that's the settings for now. Let's see what it does. All right, that's enough. I don't want my neighbors calling the cops. So it works, you guys. We got push button launch control. I had to go through quite a few feats to get this to work. I really hope you guys like this video. I was gonna have my daughter do it, but that's kind of aggressive, and I don't want to scare her where she doesn't want to be in this car. So hopefully the video does this justice. It's kind of got me trembling a little bit because it is spicy, and I messed with the duty cycle on the wastegate, and it was starting to build some serious boost. Like it was getting up there. You could hear it really start to pick up. Yeah, doing that and then dropping the clutch, man, this thing is gonna be rowdy. When I say rowdy, this thing is gonna be rowdy, like. But with that, we're gonna go ahead and end this one. Don't forget, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.